Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nishtha and today I have created a tutorial regarding this reverse cut crease technique. So without a further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with Colorbar Cosmetics Primer Selfie Oil. I'll be using it all over my face. It's a beautiful product, extremely hydrating. I think all skin types can use this. Yeah, I think so. I'll write down the details in the description box. I'll be massaging it all over my face. Now I'll be moisturizing my lips with SKÖG or SKÖG's Lip Repair Oil. It's a beauty. The next is Bobbi Brown primer. It's a mattifying primer and I will apply it on my nose and under my eyes and on my chin. I think this product has done a pretty good job in quickly mattifying my concerned areas. Just look at it. Quickly moving on to my next product, a brow pencil from K-Beauty. I like this product. It's easy, it's really nice. It's a good product for beginners and yeah, it's easy to use anywhere. However, this doesn't have a spoolie and I think that's the only drawback. And for your reference, I am in the shade Chestnuts. Chalo, quickly moving on to the next product, which is very dirty. It's Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. So if you see, I'm closely drawing a line around my eyebrows just to cover the chota wala bal, the small hair that we grow around it. So yeah, that's one technique, one quick thing that I've learned. And yes, all over my lid, spreading it as I like and blending it with my beauty blender. It's from the drugstore company. I'll put in the link. So it's a beautiful blender and it's very soft. And be very gentle with your eyes, guys, please. And the next product is Fit Me Loose Powder. It's little dark for my skin. This is shade 25. But yeah, it works for me because I have pigmentation, as you can see. So it works fine for me. Just take a very little amount on your eyes. So the next is Huda Beauty's Rose Gold palette. I'll be taking the red shade. The exact shade name again in the description box, guys. I'll be saying that a lot, I think. So, I'm starting with the gold shade. I'm just highlighting my high point of the brows first, only because so that it doesn't look out of the line or out of the box suddenly once the whole eye look is complete. And I'm trying to do something on my left, I think. Yes, now the red shade which I was talking about. So I'm going to use a Pro Art blending brush to blend this all over my crease, as you'll see just now. Here we go. And I'm going to build this color and intensify as we go. Yes, building some more. The next shade is the burnt orange color, right above that right above the maroon shade, and blending it both to just dismiss all the harsh lines. I think I'll sleep while doing this voiceover. I don't know why I feel like that. What is your view, guys? Do share. Do you like this voiceover? And yes, I'm still blending and I am adding a touch of black just to intensify that crease. As you can see, yes, it is very important in this look that you build color on your crease, you intensify the whole crease. You'll just see now. Wow, what? You'll just see abhi that why I've done it. Yeah, I'm tired. Blending is a gym activity or something. Yes, I've taken the Maybelline Fit Me concealer again, and I'm using the same tip, the brush of the concealer to cut my crease. Okay guys, you can do this with a patla brush. A very thin brush can do the job. But yes, I was feeling ambitious and I thought, why not use the same brush? I mean, why not use the same concealer tip? And yes, now I'm just gonna fill it in. Everything is cancelled below it. And can you see that intensified line that you have got? Yes, that's what I was talking about, that you need to intensify, you need to build color on the crease. Quickly blending the concealer that has come out, or that I have drawn outside my eyelid, and taking a thin flat brush, a very small brush, and a burnt orange shade with a dark orange color. I'll mix the two and I'll start applying from the James Charles palette, sorry. And I leave a a very small thin negative space, and I'll start drawing a line. Guys, please do not look up. Do not look up that much. You're gonna transfer your concealer because we didn't set the whole lid. So do not make that mistake what I just did. It's scary. You're gonna transfer everything on your crease and upar ka mehnat will go. Although you can mend things, but then let's just avoid as much as it is possible. Yes, we are actually following the upar wala line, upar wala crease line. We are following that, and we are making another line with the orange. While I'm boring you with all these details, in case I am, I have created a different version of it, basically different shades, on my Instagram. I'll put that link also in case you guys want to see this look in different colors. That's very candy-ish. Yes, so I am blending that orange. I'm taking it down further and I'm blending all the harsh lines. In case you mistakenly go far up and have reduced your negative space, that all can be rectified with a brush, with extremely thin brush. You'll see it because kara hai wo bhi maine. I've made that mistake while putting in the color, so yes, not to be scared, it can run. So I'll create a V outside. So guys, you can keep it open. I created a V, you don't have to do that. Yes, I'm taking the next color is that lovely yellow shade. It's not a proper yellow, it's a very nice mustardish yellow, and I'll put it on my lid, the center of my lid, and blend it with that orange, the burnt orange that we have created. So what you can do is, if you want to keep that orange wala line open, you can take this sweet yellow shade like an eyeliner and make a fourth line. So basically you will have a dark crease line, and then you'll have that negative space, and then you have the burnt orange line, and then you'll have the yellow line in case you want to do 4 open lines. I hope I'm able to explain it. In case you guys want me to do that again or create a look like that, let me know. Go slow guys, I mean you don't have to haste into it. It's a very tricky technique and I think isme dheere jana would be much better. The next is to go with even thinner brush, and with 312 of L'Oreal Infallible concealer, I will be highlighting that negative space. And you'll see that, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I shouldn't have opened my eyes. Please guys, do not open your eyes. You can actually transfer that unset concealer on your crease. Please avoid it. And even if you go beyond the negative space and put some concealer on your either crease or on your lid, you can rectify that. You can easily rectify that with a thin brush again. You can go back to your old brush. Yeah, like I am doing right now. I went beyond that negative space and put some concealer on the orange part, and I am rectifying the whole situation now. Okay guys, you'll have to do this many times. You'll have to go back and forth with your orange part, your negative part, because you'll have to fill your negative part with a white color, you'll see just now. And yeah, and to make a precise negative space and make a precise line for your lid, you'll have to do this again and again until you achieve that precise space. I'm saying a lot of precise now. I've moved on from rectified apparently. Yes, this is all I'm rectifying. I'm back to the rectifying. Yes, I'm rectifying my mistakes. I'm basically using the first red color to intensify my crease more. You can do that even in the later part, it's okay. So yes, with the pack fixer, and to avoid any fallout, I'm using that white shade that I spoke about. Now I'm going to fill my negative space with it. Be careful guys, so this will fall out. The white shade will fall on your lid, on your orange part, and yes, you can mend this with your first brush that you used. So yes, I'm using white. You can use any other light shade. You can use a very soft orange shade, and it will be like an ombre. So yes, but I wanted to make a proper negative space, so hence I'm using white. So here, so my laptop gave up on me suddenly. So where were we? Yes, then creating that negative white space. So you've seen it. You can mend it with your first brush, go back to your orange or your red, and you can mend your lines, and yes, that's pretty much it. And woof, we have created this look, but we have to go to the other eye as well. I have done that off camera. I am going in with a glitter shade. I do not remember the name. I'll put it in the description box, and I'll be filling in my middle yellow part with some glitters. Okay, something weird is happening in my background. It's my palette and the pankha reflecting on the mirror. Moving on from that weirdness. So yeah, it's actually not a glitter shade, it's a shimmer shade that we have used, and now we are going back to that same golden shade that we used to highlight, our high point of the eyebrows, and we will be highlighting our inner corner with it. And now I'm clearing off that old kajal. Basically I put up some kajal in the daytime, and I'm just removing the particles of it so that I can go ahead with a different shade, which I think I'm gonna do in the later part. Now I'm using a mascara, Lash Warrior. Sorry, this is the Lash Warrior mascara from Flower Beauty, and I'm clearing the under eye area, any fallout or anything, and we can use the same wipe to clear our messy lines. Next up is my orange color corrector from LA Girl. It's a beautiful corrector. You just need a tad bit of it and it will cover your all pigmentations, as you can see around my chin, on my nose, on my cheeks, under my eyes, to clear those dark circles. Not clear those, actually cover those dark circles, or cover my late night sins. So yes, I'm going ahead with the same LA Girl concealer, pure beige. It's a beauty. This product is beautiful. If you do not have a serious case of dark circles or pigmentation like me, you can just use this concealer in your color basically, and it will cover everything. You don't need any extra product. It's a beautiful product, and it actually blends so easily, as you can see, even though it's in fast motion. But yes. Oh, we have quickly moved on to Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. It's another amazing, superb product, and yes, I have used just a little amount on my cheeks and on my neck and on my ears as well. Guys, do not forget your ears, please. It should not pop out like a different color on your face. So yes, and do not use too much product on your chin or on your forehead or on your nose and under your eyes. Yes, and I'm setting up with the Fit Me loose powder. Going ahead with purple and dark pink shade for under eyes, covering my below the waterline area with it. So I'm using more of purple than pink, but yes, both the colors are used, just the intensity of purple is more, to have that little pop of a different color. And next I'll be blending this with a lighter purple shade so that there are no harsh lines on my face. Moving on with the same Flower Beauty mascara on my lower lashes. I do that later basically, after I've put in the product on my lower line. So yes, now NYX's contour and highlight palette. It's another beauty. It's another amazing product. So I'm applying it on my cheekbones, around my face basically, and I'll cover under my chin area. You all want to look chiseled basically, and I'll also do some nose contouring with the same product. Okay, here my face is still looking better. I mean, when I apply mascara or I applied makeup on my lower line, oh my god, have you looked at that face? Please, let's just ignore it and ignore my hair as well. I don't know what's happening on the right side of my head and some of the background. Oh, there are so many things to be ignored. Yes, I am using a beauty blender now to just put off some harsh lines, avoid those harsh lines, and I'm still using my broken Maybelline Rose Gold highlighter because I love it too much. All over my forehead, highlighting my cheekbones and my cupid bows and my chin, wherever it is possible. Moving on quickly with my Bombshell Glamaholic mascara with a lash glue of PAC Cosmetics. And next is, this is all squishy, I think that's the name of this kajal, all-rounder pencil basically from Colorbar. The details again will be in the description box, and that's my sister. Yes, moving on to the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force blush. It's a 01 number blush, sorry. Yes, highlighting some more and more. Yes, now it's Bobbi Brown's lipstick. I'll be using two Bobbi Brown lipsticks to achieve that color that I wanted. This is the first, and the second is a very nude brown color. Basically, I've purchased a crushed lip set, mini crushed lip set very recently, and these two are from that. I'll put in the description box again. PAC Cosmetics Micro Fixer, sorry. And it's a beauty. My literally Nahali is fixers. And voila, I am ready. So I hope you guys like this voiceover. I didn't get bored. Please leave your comments. Let me know, do you want me to do this more often, or you like my time-lapse videos? Thank you for watching. Ta-da!